All right, so today we have a good one for you. We have an iPhone 14 Pro Max with an absolutely destroyed display. So this customer had dropped her phone really badly, and as you can see, the line and discoloration, the obvious cracks, that this display has to be replaced. The customer did not want to get the back replaced. She just needed something temporarily to use her phone until a new phone comes out. So with that being said, we do have a few screen options for iPhones that we'd like to discuss. Given that these phones are really expensive, the original genuine displays are pretty expensive, we do have alternative options that are about the fraction of the cost. So there's an LCD option. We really don't recommend it unless if you're trading your phone in to your carrier. They're just looking for something that's not broken and functional in order for them to remove your information and trade it in so you can get the most from your trade-in. That screen replacement is pretty cheap. Again, we don't recommend it. It's not the same quality screen as you were to get with an original display. The middle screen option is our OLED aftermarket display. Now that screen, you're gonna get better display quality, better colors, and the only difference is that it's not original and it comes at a 60 hertz. Now recently our aftermarket distributors have released a 120 hertz display that we will be getting in soon, and we will start using those on phones that do offer that part. So with that being said, just to give you some general pricing, for the LCD display for the 14 Pro Max, you're looking at right around $200. For the aftermarket OLED display, which is a lot better than the LCD, you're looking at $250. And then for an original, you're around that $370 to $390. So all three different options. The LCD option we don't recommend. The two OLED options we definitely recommend for this phone. So hope you all took that information. And if you are looking to get your display replaced, please visit us at www.a2phonerepair.com.